Today I'm gonna be talking to you about pixel art and all the nonsense people have been feeding you over the years and why you think you need a tutorial for pixel art, but I'm here to tell you that you don't need a tutorial for pixel art. And I'm going to tell you why. Over the years, I've been seeing a lot of people making pixel art tutorials. Titles like Everything You Need to Know to Make Pixel Art. Tutorials on how to make pixel art are like basically tutorials on how to eat your soup or like how to blink or something. What I mean is making pixel art is like there is no right or wrong how to make pixel art. A lot of people out there are making tutorials on how to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make pixel art using these techniques. What? What are you talking about? Guys, if you want to learn a particular style of pixel art that is completely different, do you want to learn to copy other people's the way of drawing their pixel art? Yeah, I can see that, but pixel art, you don't need a tutorial. Just look at the tutorial I make on pixel art. Literally anyone can do this. So what do you need to make pixel art? You need almost anything really is a pixel art editor. Like even if you took paint and you zoomed in really close and you make your drawings like super small, yeah, that is pixel art. All you need is a grid, 32 by 32, I don't know, 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 64 by 64, 128 by 128, and you can, Now, obviously, if you go 256 by 256, obviously that's going to be harder to animate. There's more detail there. The reason I like pixel art is because, you can make things super fast, super easy. Take real pictures and scale them down and make it all pixelated. I believe Unity has a plugin that makes your stuff look like pixel art. Unreal Engine has one too. I should probably make a video about that. And my point here is that you don't need a tutorial game. All you need is a small grid. Make a happy face. Make a happy face. Legs, arms. Make a next frame. Trace it. Do it again. And, you find your own style by making the same thing over and over again. For making pixel art, you don't need tips for making pixel art. All you need is a software. You can go online and find a free pixel art editor. GDEVELOP is free. He has an editor. Now, if you went to Google, you can Google like pixel art editors, free. The one I like is called PISKEL or PISKEL. I think it already comes with GDEVELOP. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I have another video there it's already recorded, part 2 of the GDEVELOP 3D animation things. The 3D animation stuff. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.